I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to download this, so just keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
How's it cooking, gamers? Do you play the game Castle of Temptation? Well, now I'm going to show you in this video how to download the game for iPhone and Android. Go to hexmods.com, find Castle of Temptation. This is the mobile version, guys. Go ahead and press the download button, and before it downloads, we are going to see one last step, which is the verification. So during this step, we're going to download 2 apps. We're going to follow the instructions, 100% free, guys, from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files. That's how it works. So what you got to do is download 2 of the apps, guys, and follow the instructions. So as you can see, there's a huge list of them right here. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Family Island says I gotta reach level 11. TikTok says I gotta down run for 30 seconds. So download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and then Castle of Temptation should be on your phone. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, there's the site, hexmods.com. So be sure to try this out. Enjoy it, because a lot of people don't know about Castle of Temptation mobile download, but it is possible. So that's super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but make sure you download 2 of the apps, because some people download one of the apps, doesn't work. A lot of people download the apps and don't follow the instructions, and that's where a lot of people get messed up. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to play this on your device. It's super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and you can get the Castle of Temptation, guys. Super awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe and tell your friends about it. It's really cool, and it works for me.